Hey there! Today I'm going to show you how to quickly create and share a meeting link using Google Meet. This works on both desktop and mobile. Let's jump in. On desktop, start by going to meet.google.com in your browser. You'll see a big button that says New Meeting. Click on it and choose Create a Meeting for Later. Google will instantly generate a unique meeting link for you. You can click the copy icon next to it to copy the link. Now, you can paste that link anywhere, like in an email, a chat, or a calendar invite to share it with others. If you want to start the meeting right away, choose Start an Instant Meeting instead. Once you're in, click the info icon at the bottom right of the screen to see and copy the meeting link. On mobile, open the Google Meet app and tap the New Meeting button. Choose Get a Meeting Link to Share, and it'll generate the link instantly. Tap Share Invite, and you can send it via WhatsApp, email, or however you like. And when you're ready to join, just tap the link, or paste it into your browser or app. That's it. You've created and shared a Google Meet link in seconds. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a tutorial. Drop a comment if you have questions. Thanks for watching.